10 ways to reply when someone says thank you. Feeling awkward when someone says thank you in English. You don't want to sound robotic with your welcome every time, right? Let's dive into 10 natural, native-like responses that'll make you sound confident and cool. Stick with me, and we'll practice together to get you speaking like a pro. Phrase 1. No problem. Imagine someone says to me, "Thanks for giving me a ride home." I'd smile and say, "No problem." This phrase is super casual, perfect for friends, coworkers, or everyday situations when you want to sound relaxed. It's like saying, "Helping you is no trouble at all," and keeps the conversation light and friendly. You might use it when someone thanks you for something small or routine, like helping with a task. For example, if a classmate says, "Thanks for helping with my project," I'd go, "No problem." Or if a neighbor says, "Thanks for watering my plants," I'd reply, "No problem." Let's practice. Say it with me, nice and chill. No problem. Awesome. Try it again with a cool, confident vibe. No problem. All right, let's move to the next one, phrase 2. Phrase 2, anytime. Picture this. A friend says, "Thanks for grabbing me a coffee." I'd reply, "Anytime." This phrase is warm and friendly, like saying, "I'm always here to help you." It's great for people you know well, like friends or family, to show you're happy to support them. Use it when you want to sound approachable and open to helping again in the future. For instance, if someone says, "Thanks for lending me your charger," I'd go, "Anytime." Or if a coworker says, "Thanks for the feedback," I'd say, "Anytime." Your turn. Say it with me, big smile. Anytime. Nice. Try it again with a friendly tone. Anytime. You're sounding so natural. Ready for the next? Let's check out phrase 3. Phrase 3. My pleasure. If someone says, "Thank you for the great advice," I'd say, "My pleasure." This is a polite, classy response that means, "I really enjoyed helping you." It's perfect for slightly formal situations, like at work or with someone you respect, but it still feels warm. It shows you're sincere and makes the other person feel valued. For example, if a customer says, "Thanks for explaining the product," I'd go, "My pleasure." Or if a teacher says, "Thanks for organizing the event," I'd reply, "My pleasure." Let's try it. Say it with me, nice and smooth. My pleasure. Perfect. Say it again with a touch of class. My pleasure. You're owning this. Let's keep the momentum going with phrase 4. Phrase 4. Don't mention it. Let's say someone goes, "Thanks for holding the door for me." I'd reply, "Don't mention it." This humble phrase means, "No need to thank me. It's no big deal." It's great for casual moments with strangers or acquaintances when you want to brush off the thanks politely. It keeps things low-key and shows you're not looking for praise. For instance, if a neighbor says, "Thanks for picking up my mail," I'd say, "Don't mention it." Or if someone says, "Thanks for the directions," I'd go, "Don't mention it." Your turn. Say it with me, super relaxed. Don't mention it. Great. Try it again, nice and chill. Don't mention it. You're getting so good. All right, let's jump to phrase 5. Phrase 5. Glad I could help. When someone says, "Thank you for fixing my phone," I'd go, "Glad I could help." This friendly phrase shows you're genuinely happy to make a difference in their day. It works in almost any situation, friends, coworkers, even strangers. and feels heartfelt and sincere. It's perfect when you want to show you care about their appreciation. For example, if a friend says, "Thanks for helping me move," I'd reply, "Glad I could help." Or if a colleague says, "Thanks for reviewing my work," I'd say, "Glad I could help." Let's practice. Say it with me, full of energy. Glad I could help. Nice work. Say it again with a big smile. Glad I could help. You sound amazing. If you're saying these phrases out loud right now, you're already on your way to sounding like a native. Practicing like this is how you build real confidence in English, and I'm so proud of you for doing it. Hit that subscribe button to Piece of Cake Speak English so we can keep practicing fun, everyday English together. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notified about every new lesson. You're doing fantastic. Let's keep rocking it with the next 5 phrases. Phrase 6. No worries. Imagine someone says, "Thanks for helping with my homework." I'd reply, "No worries." This super chill phrase means, "It's all good, don't stress about it." It's perfect for casual settings, like with friends or classmates, and shows you're totally relaxed about helping. It's also a great way to make the other person feel at ease. For instance, if someone says, "Thanks for waiting for me," I'd go, "No worries." Or if a friend says, "Thanks for spotting me some cash," I'd reply, "No worries." Let's try it. Say it with me, nice and relaxed. No worries. Awesome. Say it again, super laid back. No worries. You're sounding like a pro. Time to move on to phrase 7. Let's do this. Phrase 7. Happy to help. If someone says, "Thanks for sharing your notes," I'd go, "Happy to help." This cheerful phrase shows you're genuinely thrilled to lend a hand. It's great for building connections, whether at school, work, or with friends, and it spreads positivity. Use it when you want to show you're glad to be there for someone. Like if a coworker says, "Thanks for covering my task," I'd reply, "Happy to help." Or if a friend says, "Thanks for the ride," I'd say, "Happy to help." Your turn. Say it with me, full of joy. Happy to help. Great. Say it again with a big smile. Happy to help. Nailed it. Let's keep it rolling with phrase 8. Phrase 8. You got it. When someone says, "Thank you for doing me that favor," I'd reply, "You got it." This cool, confident phrase is like saying, "I've got your back. No problem." It's perfect for casual moments when you want to sound friendly and in control, like with friends or peers. It also has a fun, upbeat vibe that makes people smile. For example, if a friend says, "Thanks for picking up my order," I'd go, "You got it." Or if someone says, "Thanks for saving me a seat," I'd reply, "You got it." Let's practice. Say it with me, super confident. You got it. Nice one. Say it again with some swagger. You got it. So good. Let's dive deeper into 2 awesome phrases. You got it. And no worries. You got it isn't just for responding to thanks. It can also mean "I understand" or "I'll do it" when someone makes a request. For example, if a friend says, "Can you grab me some water?" I'd say, "You got it," to mean I'll get it done. A fun variation is "sure thing." It's just as cool and super casual. Imagine someone says, "Thanks for grabbing my book." I'd reply, "Sure thing." Let's practice the variation. Say it with me. Sure thing. Perfect. Say it again, like a native. Sure thing. Awesome job. Now, no worries is also great for calming someone down, like when they're apologizing or feeling stressed. For instance, if someone says, "Sorry I'm late," I'd go, "No worries," to make them feel okay. A cool variation is "all good," which is just as relaxed and friendly. Picture someone saying, "Thanks for being patient." I'd reply, "All good." Let's try it. Say with me, "All good." Great. Say it again, super chill. All good. You're crushing it. Okay, let's move to phrase 9. Almost there. Phrase 9. It's all good. If someone says, "Thanks for waiting for me," I'd go, "It's all good." This relaxed phrase means, "No need to thank me. We're totally cool." It's perfect for casual moments when you want to keep things light and friendly, like with friends or coworkers. It also shows you're easygoing and don't make a fuss about small things. For example, if someone says, "Thanks for spotting me for lunch," I'd reply, "It's all good." Or if a classmate says, "Thanks for sharing your notes," I'd say, "It's all good." Your turn. Say it with me, nice and easy. It's all good. Awesome. Say it again, super relaxed. It's all good. You're a natural. One more to go. Let's tackle phrase 10. Phrase 10. No sweat. When someone says, "Thank you for giving me a lift," I'd reply, "No sweat." This fun, playful phrase means helping was easy and no trouble at all. It's great for casual settings when you want to sound fun and laid back. It's like saying, "It was nothing," but with a cool, carefree vibe. Like if someone says, "Thanks for carrying my bag," I'd go, "No sweat." Or if a friend says, "Thanks for helping me set up," I'd reply, "No sweat." Let's practice. Say it with me, super smooth. No sweat. Great job. Say it again with a cool vibe. No sweat. You sound fantastic. Wow. You just learned 10 awesome ways to reply to "thank you" like a native. How amazing is that? Every time you practice these phrases, you're building confidence and getting closer to speaking English fluently. Don't miss out on more fun lessons like this. Subscribe to Piece of Cake Speak English, and let's keep rocking your English skills together. Comment below with your favorite phrase, and I'll see you in the next video for more ways to speak like a pro.